Today we're going to be changing the license plate light bulb on our 2013 Nissan Altima. There's one right here and one right here. Both of ours are burned out, so we're going to open up the trunk. You have to take out these clips. These are also, you can take the, you don't have to take them out, but you can just pull it down underneath. We're going to take out this clip, this clip, this clip, this clip, this one, and this one. That'll allow us to drop it down and have access to our lights that are underneath here. So let's get started. Take a flathead screwdriver, just basically pop that out. Okay, so now that we've taken out all our clips, two bulbs should be right in here. Here's the first one. Just twist it, pull it out, take out our red bulb. It's a 194 long life bulb, which you can get at AutoZone or Advance. Put this one back. Just put it in the hole. Twist. There we go. Once it's in, just twist it. Let's get this one over here. Just twist it and pull it out. Okay. Now, let's just when you put your clips back in, just take the top part of the clip out and then put your clip back in like that. Let's go give it a try. Now that we tested it, let's put everything back. There we go. And that's how you replace the light bulbs on your license plate for your 2013 Nissan Altima. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.